sana akong planong lumabas. I had no plan to get out of the house. But, nakita ko dun sa online, Facebook online of the Amazon, it's like, I call it Amazon store, but it's FNB, wholesale store. I saw na, like, they were showing the stuff that they're selling today. Today is the $5 day, so everything there is $5. So, nakita ko mayroong solar lights for the garden. Alam mo nyo naman, when it comes to garden and I can save, I will be there. So, sabi ko, oh, I need to get that solar light. So, I need to go, I need to leave. Madali ako, ligo, just go, kahit na lang itsura ko, naglagay lang ako ng headband, tapos, alam mo, parang bun, hair bun, na ganyan na lang ang itsura ko. Because I was in a hurry. Then when I got there, I was looking for the solar light. It wasn't on the, what do you call that? Not the rack. I mean, it wasn't there. And then they told me, and then I asked somebody, nasan yung ano, yung nakita kong solar light? Was it sold already? Sabi, hindi, ano yun, ang ano daw, sa auction. Seriously, sana man lang minention nila na sa auction yun. So, hindi na sana ako pumunta. Pero, ayan, dahil nasa labas na ako, I decided, sige, mag-grocery na rin ako. So, right now, I'm heading to Walmart. Bibili na rin ako ng grocery. Hindi naman ano. Kasi grocery day ko talaga, Monday or Tuesday. Since nasa labas na ako, di sige. So, I spent $20 doon sa FNB. I spent $20. So, we'll see kung yung mga, nakabili rin ako, solar lights for the yard. Dalawa. Tapos, ano ba yun? Yung $5 worth of frost cover for my hydrangeas. So, binili ko na rin kasi I saw online, medyo mahal din siya and it's only $5. So, I bought it anyway. Kasi baka bukas wala na. Tomorrow is $3. So, everything is $3. But, binili ko na kesa naman, diba, magsisi pa ako, nagtitipid ako tapos, yung nabili kong solar light, I've never seen that before from, the big box store here. So, kaya sabi ko, biling ko na nga kahit ang mahal. Namamahalan ako doon, mahal yun, grabe. Pero kasi garden. Basta pang yard. Everything that is for yard and I can somewhat afford, I will get it. But anyways, yeah, so I also